Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, we're here with an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and we got some new things that we're unboxing. Things like, you know, we usually wouldn't, like I wouldn't buy, but I decided to, and you know, some other things, you know, some sneakers. We're just gonna get into this video. And I hope you guys just enjoy it. That's the first thing, of course. Be sure you guys go enter that giveaway in the description. The 20K coming up real soon because we're about to hit 20K, and I can't thank you all enough for that. We'll be doing more Supreme videos soon and all that. You guys are gonna see more content like that on the channel. Of course, I've already been delivering a lot lately, but I wanted to make this video because again, it's just something sort of different that I thought I'd add, and you know, I think you guys will enjoy this one. So that's my main thing. Subscribe and like if you're new, and let's get started. Now, the first thing that I actually got is a ring. Never really bought a ring. Never really thought about it until a couple weeks ago when I got one, and you know, I was like, well, I haven't really shown it the channel. I previewed it on my Instagram like real quick, like a few hours I think. I don't know how long it was up for, but some of y'all may have seen it, but it was like a blurry photo, so you didn't really see it too well. But basically, here's like the box the ring comes in. I'll put this over my face so y'all can see it. Here's the box the ring comes in. It's like it's a Versace, obviously. Versus Versace is part of, like, this part of Versace. It's like you know, one of their like little sub brands, if you want to call it that. I don't know the name for it, but you know, it's not really like too crazy, but I'm gonna put it on and show y'all. I originally got it for I think I designed it for this finger right here. This is what finger I designed it for, and well, not designed it, what I fit it for, what finger I fit it for. But here's what it looks like on the finger, just like that. I think it looks pretty decent, I'd say myself. Look at that. Not trying to flex, you know, I'll hold this up, but like you see that the detail on it's pretty nice. It's like a gold and like sort of like metallic ring. This is really hard to take off. Like, it's a bit tight, if you can tell, or probably if there are any girls watching this, it's a very tight ring. And you know, I didn't mean to get it like this way because I think I fit it for the wrong finger. I don't remember which finger I fit it for, but it fits on my middle finger fine. And yeah, just that. Basically, if you can see in the center here, I'm gonna try and show y'all it. If you see it, it says Versus Versace all around it, and it has like a lion on it. And you know, I will be rocking this more. I think, again, I like the gold and like the black. And of course, like, just it's a big ring. Like, it's sort of a nice size ring. I like that. But yeah, never really thought about getting a ring until now, and now I got one. You know, I like it. Yeah, I think it's a nice taste. I'm not gonna start buying like chains. I don't like chains as much as I like rings, but maybe I'll get like a pinky finger for this ring. Maybe I'll get like a pinky finger for this ring. I don't know, I don't want too many rings because then, you know, just I personally think it looks bad if you get too many rings. But that's the first thing, Versace ring. I think it was like $175, so it wasn't like that expensive. This hurts so bad to get off. Look at this. It's like stuck in the center of my finger. It's off. Like, see, like, look what it did to my finger. Look at that. Probably not, it's not focusing, but you see that? It's like a little fold in my finger right there. You see that? Hurts a bit. But yeah, you know, it's a bit tight. I may get like resized or something like that. But yeah, if you guys, I'll leave a link to the ring down below if you guys even want to check it out, maybe buy one and rock the same ring. That'd be sort of dope. But yeah, Versace ring, I like it. You know, I'm not gonna buy like a super expensive ring. I'm not gonna buy like a $13,000 pinky ring, ice style. I personally don't like diamonds too much. You know, I like things like gold and that more. But aside from rings and flexing and trying to be a rapper, now all those things that people buy jewelry for nowadays, whatever, it's not what I'm here for. But basically, next thing I traded my old Power Faces for these pair. Now, the other ones weren't in like amazing condition, but here are these ones. These ones actually fit me. That's why I traded them with my friend Ian. Yeah, and you know, he gave me these ones. They're, you know, in okay condition. I don't know why I tied them like that. I guess I got lazy, but yeah, here's the other one. Power Faces, you know, these are sick. You know, they obviously say Calabasas on them, so like they're the Calabasas. Let me look that up actually. Yeah, they're the Calabasas Power Faces. I don't know why I was thinking they're two different things, but here they are. Obviously, you know, these are cool. I like the little Calabasas right there, if y'all can see that. Maybe I'll focus a bit, but y'all see that. I think that's cool. I like that feature of it. And these go for like around $190 in StockX dead stock, but these are not really dead stock. They're probably worth 80, 90, I say, because the bottoms aren't that bad. Like, you can see all the detail on them, on both of them, it's fine. It just, they're worn, you know what I mean? Like, if you give these a good cleaning, you know, obviously if I tied these correctly, they would look pretty nice, I think. I actually think I could clean these up nicely and probably add like $30, $40 in value. I'm not even joking on that. I mean, that's a lot because they do have like some creases. You can see like the leather of the toe. But other than that, you know, I'm glad to have a pair of Yeezys. Technically, not really. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think Power Faces are really Yeezys? I mean, they're under Adidas Yeezy, but are they? Do you think they're the real thing? Let me know what y'all think down below on that. But yeah, a quick little unboxing. Oh, and also, I finally got my Supreme Mophie working. Look at that. Look at this, right? See, like, got dots now. I finally got it working. So this actually, I can use it again. You know, I lost the charger, I bought some cords, and I finally got that working again. So I'm in a good mood from that alone. But that's the unboxing. Got the Versace ring. Super happy to have this. And we got the Calabasas Power Faces. sick shoe. Glad to have these. I'm probably gonna try and get more of these. I'm not actual Yeezys because I personally like these more. I mean, we could just get like Adidas Superstars or I'm trying to remember the name of it. The Sambas or like the Aniki, anything like that. I think they're pretty similar to them. I know Anikis look a lot different, but like they're sort of close, if you know what I mean. But that's all we have to unbox. New ring, new shoes. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, and I'm not too sure if I did an unboxing this tee, but it's a Supreme My Kelly tee. You got the box logo right there. And just the tee, I like this. And on the back, set that up. But if y'all see, also got 4 on the back too. So basically, it's like a 4x4 tee. I like that. But yeah. Now let's get to the end of the video. Anyways, though, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. 20K, I'm super excited and ready for a 20K giveaway. I may delay the 20K giveaway a bit just because I don't want to, I mean, I said we may have 2 giveaways going on once, but I don't really want to do that because that's going to be like really hard to manage now that I think of it. So I'm going to wait till the other giveaway's done on like October 3rd, I think. So go and turn that link in the description before that ends. So you guys got some time in this, you know, stay here for a few more videos and then enter it. That's cool. You know, I'm not going to run 2 giveaways at once though, but I think I know what I'm giving away. It's a good thing. I think you're all gonna like it. And I may even let you guys decide. Like, I have an idea of what I would give away if I didn't let y'all decide, but I may let you all decide my think on that. But yeah, anyways, thank y'all for watching. DM me some memes on Instagram, @Tristan Wick. Go follow me there. Love all y'all. Peace.